Hey guys, Anthony Tran here with Solar Tradecraft, and in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to explain to you how you could save 10% or more on your Amazon sales. All right, so let's look at how much I saved within like 5 minutes of work. So I potentially could save $57,000, or I could potentially save $8,000, right, reimbursed in my pocket. And what I mean by this is Amazon loses their stuff. Amazon sends your stuff out, and when customers return it, they don't reimburse you. And there's all these different scenarios where Amazon does not do the accounting right, and they won't reimburse you until you ask them for it. And this is like one of the most frustrating things as an Amazon seller, because we're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. And you can do this all manually by yourself, right? And open up these cases and investigate it and look at these different reports and compare them like, hey, was this item actually returned or was it not returned? Because if it was returned, then Amazon should reimburse me, like, of these different fees. But basically, there's two softwares that I highly recommend that you guys try out. And two softwares that I'm basically trying out. I've used other ones in the past, like AMZ, like Refund X-Ray or something, but these two make it a lot easier, right? And there's two very distinct differences about them, right? So RefundHunter basically will automate this whole process for you. They'll submit the tickets for you, not using the API, but as like a person, right? So you're not going to get in trouble with Amazon's TOS where it's like an automated thing where you're submitting too many cases. So RefundHunter does it automatically through a VA, right, that automates the process of these reimbursements, and they do it slow enough to where you won't get in trouble by Amazon. The catch is they take a 15% cut of whatever they save you, right? But you know, honestly, at the very end of the day, there's $57,000 on the table potentially that what they're telling me that they can earn me. That's $57,000 that I would love to have back in my pocket. And personally, with all the stuff that I'm doing, like, I have no time to really figure out which one of these reimbursements is actually valid and which one is not. So the fact that, you know, I just started this like a couple of days ago, and they earned me $1,000, right? It pays for itself, right? Because you're not going to do this, and like that's $1,000 in my pocket, and that's another $56,000 in my pocket. Another alternative though is Helium10. So Helium10 won't automatically do it for you, but they'll give you the reports for you to do it, and you can have your VA, or you can manually enter in the different reimbursement cases yourself, right? So what Helium10 will do for you is they'll give you all of the reimbursement reports for you, and then you just have to manually submit it yourself, like I was just saying. However, I do have a coupon code ST for $100 off. In my opinion, I've been using RefundHunter and Helium10. RefundHunter makes it so much easy that like I don't have to do it. And I noticed that with some of the cases that I've been opening up with Helium10, it actually Amazon's been denying some of them. So I really don't know how much how effective Helium10 is until like I go over all my cases and I do the math and see like, hey, you know, Helium10 actually recovered me this amount. It could get me up to $8,000, but for some reason RefundHunter is saying that I could get up to $57,000. So, you know, $8,000 versus $57,000, like I'm just gonna do both and see what happens. There might be an overlap with some cases being both submitted, but that's what my VA is gonna catch anyways. However, at the end of the day, what I really want to tell you is that you guys are losing money if you guys are not submitting these cases to Amazon about the money that they owe you. So highly recommend you guys check out either one. I do have affiliate links for both if you guys want to support me and the stuff that I do for you guys. So go ahead and use those links and I'll post them in the comments below. Feel free to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to telling you guys more about my Amazon journey. And like always, if you guys want to stay in touch with me and join other people within the Solar Tradecraft community, I highly recommend you join our Facebook group at Solar Tradecraft. We're over 5,000 people, and we just got voted the best Amazon face group in 2007. How cool is that? You know, I never thought that would happen. I guess maybe I could have thought it would happen, but I'm super honored for the whole community to win the award, and I'm really happy that maybe you might get to be a part of it too. So, see you guys. I'm Anthony Tran.